सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। In the morning class, we saw that there were 4 purusharthas, if you remember. So, all desires of a human being is divided into 4 parts only. There is nothing called 5th desire. Desire to marry is which purusharth? Artha and Kam both, because it gives security. It gives security that somebody is there in my difficult days will come, although they are not there, but it is said that there will be somebody who will be there at all times. Rather you feel more insecure after. Anyway, it depends. I'm not generalizing, and don't take such words very seriously. I say in a lighter way. So the Arth Purusharth, Kam Purusharth, Dharma Purusharth and Moksha Purusharth. Understand that very well. I want you should be very clear on all these topics. So देखो, they have their own area. So there is their area. Artha Purusharth also is required. Kam Purusharth is also required, but they are not ultimate. They have their very limited areas. How is the Kam Purusharth required? I'll tell you. If there is no taste bud in the tongue, nobody will eat. And this way body will suffer. You will postpone the eating. Well, I'll eat later on whenever time is. I don't have time today. I did not eat today. Because food does not, and food will be very difficult. Well, have to eat because taste bud is there. Therefore, you are attracted to it also. So, Kam Purusharth is just for fulfilling certain duties. If Kam Purusharth is not there, a person will avoid doing the very basic things also. So Kam Purusharth is somewhere it is required, but the deceptive part of Kam Purusharth is a person feels I'll get everything and this is the goal. Bas, this is the problem. These 2 Purusharth take away whole life and lives together. Either we are after fulfilling something, enjoyments, or we are trying to secure something. Secure and fulfilling. And the Maya is such, it shows lot of joy in that object. Maya is a very typical thing. It shows so much of joy in a particular object where you have desire for, that you can do anything for that object. They say you can move heaven and hells also. And Maya shows lot of security in certain things. For getting money, money can give, because money is important because it gives security also and it can fulfill desire also. Therefore, these things are very, very strongly binding. Because if you have a lot of money, you can enjoy more, you feel like that. You can have more sensual pleasures. You can travel more, you can purchase more, you can live in a bigger houses, you can have more servants. So this is the conviction in us that if you have a lot, I have no problem. Money, I have no problem. You can have bigger house, you can have bigger car, you can have bigger roads, you can have bigger traveling. Money does give all these things. And remember, in our spiritual life, money is never condemned per se. If money is not there, we can't build ashram also. We can't get book also. I can't get my shawl also. So we are not condemning money. What is the condemning portion? Making it the last goal. Money is a good means, a bad goal. So we are not condemning anything. We are not just censoring anything. It is a wrong thing to censor something. We need it. But thinking that it will give me security or joy, this is where Shastra says sorry. Sorry. I have objection, sir. Well, but money I can travel a lot. Well, I bilkul agree with you. You can travel a lot. I can stay in the best of the hotels. I agree with that. You can stay in the best of. I can go in the cruise. Well, you can go as in the. I can. There's a deluxe in that also in the cruise also. There is a categories. I heard. You must have gone, huh? So not gone. The deluxe category, first class, ordinary, general, and last one only on the deck. So no, this is my thinking. You have gone? No, I have also not gone, and by God's grace, I have no desire to go. God has graced me that I have no unnecessary desire. I pray to God that let not such desires come. Only question comes, where will I do puja in the cross? Where will I have satsang? Because this is my soul. Can I get time to meditate there or not? I have no desire at all. Anyway, you can go, but going there is equal to happiness. This is where problem is lying. Remember, Kam Purusharth, yes, and Arth Purusharth we talked in detail. What mind shows lot of joy in certain things. You know, when I sometimes see some person, I saw when I was in India, so they will where, well, Swamiji, where are you going? Well, South Africa. South Africa? Wow! You will fly in there? Yes, by air I'll go. Wow, in the flight you will be there. So nice. They ask like that. You know, sometime those who have traveled very 1 hour, only you get window seat. I said I get, but I never choose window seat. I see aisle seat because in window seat problem is when you want to get out, you disturb somebody. And I don't want that. If I should disturb, I have to cross over him, jump over him. See who is it? And the problem is there. But in that face, I see lot of joy. Oh, so nice! You get food also in the plane. Yes, but I don't eat all that food. You don't eat? Please bring it for me. I feel why so excited. There is no joy at all. I fly so much. Now I'll be going to India. At least 10 flights I will have, so much into traveling is there. No joy at all. If your mind is quiet, you are quiet everywhere. But when I see those people who have not, they project lot of joy, which is not there. They project it. They feel so wonderful. Wow, fantastic, what a thing. In the air, how nice seat will be there. You can sleep also, you can get up also, you get toffee also. Yes, you can get toffee. How many toffees can you get, Swamiji? No, as many toffees you can get. You can take full handful of toffee. Yes, you can, no problem, because they give us the toffee also. Oh, and when it glides like that, how you feel? So lucky you are. I feel sad. ये पागल है क्या? What is there about that flight? What is there great about that? When we were small children, so our father said, you should not have flying ticket, no first class ticket. You will travel in the train. No luxuries. That to second class train. He said the whole life you have to travel, but if you have trained yourself to be very basic in your life, then you will always be comfortable. This was our training given. So don't think that you will travel and no need to waste. You are a student, live as a student. Live as a student and be very simple. We said yes. So sometimes plane used to go above our house. So we used to watch, wow. And call our other boys, hey, this plane is like this. It was all imagined joy. You tell me in any area where you have enjoyed, you had superimposed more joy than you really got it. And what you got also, that was for a transitory, flimsy time with lot of toll tax. Heavy toll tax, not only 20 rands toll tax. This is 20 rand, no? When you cross Tongat, kahan gaye wo? 20 rands. Huh? 10 rands. To up and down 20 rand. Okay. But here, I told you in the morning, if you enjoy for the enjoying only, if you enjoy for some purpose, I'm eating for fulfilling my hunger. I'm living a family life to fulfill my duties as a son, as a husband, and I will definitely fulfill my family life. No problem. I will have child because I want to make someone contributory in the society so that when I leave this world, there should be somebody ahead to carry the legacy of good work. Therefore, I will have child. What I could not do, let my child continue. No problem. When you associate the duty aspect with the calm desire and stop there only, don't make it infinitely attractive, then it is a medicine. Medicine should not become a food. I hope you are getting my point. So, we are not banishing or abolishing Kam Purusharth or Ardh Purusharth, censoring. We are not censoring it. We are just telling, don't make it your ultimate goal. Risky thing is that. Why? Morning you saw. It creates impression, therefore bondage is there. It creates dinta. Dinta, you feel very helpless. It can create sorrow because you did not get. It can create more sense of emptiness. It can take you to the next birth. If you are attached to wife, your next birth will be of a woman. In Bhagavad, one place it is written, you won't like it, but I will say, only most of the women in this birth were men last birth. And most of the men were women last birth. Because they were attached to each other. So what they were attached to, they became that. If you are attached to dog, rest is not history. Or cat. One cat is here also. I know you like that cat a lot. I will only have one request. Please love the animals. Don't get too attached. Don't be very close. Okay? No problem in loving. But don't have a constant shape. Because supposing while loving and while cuddling the cat and dog, pran goes away. Who knows which is the last moment? Supposing it happens. Okay, so and then after that, and because you have love for the ashram also, so you will be born in the ashram cat. Anyway, so so I don't want many cats and dogs here. So one is there. I don't know which seeker has come like that. So calm purusharth is not bad, but making it goal, you will have following problems in your life. First thing, it will come with a heavy cost. You have to pay a lot. You have to do a lot of work. I had enumerated everything in the morning. You have to put lot of effort, lot of money, lot of time, lot of energy. And enjoyment time is always short. Bhagavan is very clever. All enjoyment time is kept very small. Effort is so much. You go for dinner taking 1 hour. Dining time is only maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes. And coming back time half an hour, 2 hours. And waiting time, if you are waiting, because his name is waiter, he makes you wait. Waiting time is again half an hour. If big hotel is there, more waiting is there. You can keep on starter, papad, etc. You keep on eating. At the most, if you are very hungry, they put salt. So some are busy with the salt only. So salt and lemon. So 3 hours will go away. Some are so hungry as if they have not eaten since last Kali Yuga. And they start lemon and salt. Such a poor, it looks so bad and horrible. People on good houses also. So, what is this? इतना time लगाया है क्या? So much 3 hours you gave and it was hardly a matter of 10 minutes. You could have just cooked something faster. Within 10 minutes you could have eaten and finished and done some other work. पागल हो क्या? दिमाग नहीं क्या तुम्हारे? Just for some tasty food and this thing. क्या यार? So this calm purusharth takes away your energy, time, lot of money. And I tell you, if too much of desire is there, you will do adharma also to fulfill that karma. You have crossed the limit also. Next thing, and more you do fulfill your desire, there is one G factor will come. Guilt will be in the heart. You'll feel I'm not that good. This feeling will come. I'm not that pure. This feeling will slowly build up in the mind. I'm not that pure. And problem will be, when we'll do puja or when you will do satsang, that guilt thought will not make you very happy. So you can't face the pure. You'll say, I cannot face that. Purity you cannot face. You'll feel I'm not good. I'm very not a good person from inside. My thoughts are not very great. You can act to be great, but in front of your mind you cannot act. God is seated inside constantly and he talks a lot. He scolds also. So in other words, and next birth you have prepared also because of that shape will be in your mind. But too much of and sorrow will be there if you don't get that object. Therefore all husband wife who are too attached, one has to be very sad. Why? One will leave. After one will leave, another person is now wasting his time. He is sad. Whole life goes in getting sad. This is the calm purusharth. I hope you are getting it. Artha purusharth is there. It makes you very tired. Well, how much security you will, how much you can guarantee, how much money you are requiring. Too much of money is required. Too much of things is required. And insecurity does not go, as I told you. Insecurity does not go at all. Even after spending lot of money, lot of so much bank, all of you most who are there, they must be working in their liabilities. The house will be one liability. Then the car will be there. Am I right? No? Car will be there because everything is available on credit and loan now. Then LIC will be there. Then medical is there. Other things may be there. I don't know. I have never worked, therefore I don't know. Either I pay. कितना ये सब लगे हुए? How long you will keep on running? ये भाग रहे हैं, वो भाग रहे हैं, going there only to make myself secure and near and dear secure. How much security secure? And security comes from two aspects. That too relative security. Absolute security won't be there. Raja Dasharath's life was insecure, became insecure because of Kekayi. Vasudevji's life became insecure. They were all big people. Insecurity has two sources: your good actions of the past and your worship, upasana. But absolute insecurity, security is impossible as long as you are identified to the body. Two things I said. So what goals is there? It will make you very tired running around. Remember, money is not a problem. One person came to me, one boy, he said, Swami, I want to earn a lot of money. I was amused. I said, why you want to earn? Well, I want to become a millionaire. I said, why? Next line what he said, in ashram, this organization, all the time we are thinking where to get this money. I'll provide that. I will give 70% of my earning so that lot of people can benefit. He was so happy, at least his bhava is good. He gave also when he gave also. So money is not bad. But goal, now the youngsters have only goal. You must be seeing in your school, colleges, this much salary is there. In that salary, parents are not included. Ashram is not included. Temple is not included. So this, and after that, when you see this much salary, you are very happy, good salary. But once you are into it, you feel this is a small amount now. This gets over so fast. I think I need some bigger salaried job. This was very small. So Arth Purusharth is very tiring Purusharth. How much and person, works from morning 8 o'clock to evening 4 o'clock. After working, he is so tired. And this is not for 50 years. After 60 also, 70 also, running around. Kya karoge? Still you want money. Still you want house. No, I'm paying for that bond. That bond is still remaining. 20-year bond is there. 30-year bond is there. No, many births bondage is there, not that bond. And therefore this Purusharth is also unattainable. It is a Maya. And third Purusharth was Dharma Purusharth. I am repeating it so that I will come to importance of Moksha Purusharth, where I want to focus the whole Upanishad is on that. Dharma Purusharth has two ways. Dharma is either for purifying our heart and controlling earth and calm Purusharth, or Dharma Purusharth is for getting a bigger eye. So if it is for purification, it is excellent. But if you want to go for bigger, log bole, I do very good. I was in Indore and one Amma was there, very rich houses. So the thali was very big. Very big thali. 25-30 dishes were there. Not 1-2 dishes. Roti was of 3-4 kinds. Kadhi, dal, this, that. 10 servants, she said, no servant will come near Swami. I will serve. Every Sunday. So every Sunday I used to go there. At that time I was not fasting like this. So nice dishes were there. This is the Roti atta. This is atta with roti. This is the besan one. This is made from methi. This is made from saag. This is butter. This is yellow butter. This is white butter. This is imli chutney, tamarind chutney. This is that chutney. I used to say, ah. And she herself she used to put everything. Very nicely she used to. Very lovely, very lovingly. I still can't forget those days. The way she served. One day I asked, I will not tell her name. So I said, why you are so much serving? Without second thought, she said, because I'll get big heaven. She didn't think twice. So my roti was there. I couldn't. I saw. It is stopped midway only, like mid-rand is there. And midway is there in Johannesburg when you go. I said, are you sure? Well, yes. What is other thing to do in life? I feed, I see that you are happy because feeding a brahmachari gives a bigger log. Achha, she was a student, she used to come in the class but once a week, so Vedant was not too much. But we had lot of study of Vedant, not bigger log, what will you do? Anyway, I said let us first complete this food, otherwise this also will go, let her get her log, but let me, my gobi paratha will go away. That fried bhindi was there. Fried bhindi along with the curd. Ah. So fried bhindi was separately put and that fried bhindi in the curd also was put there. Both were separately put. This is, I said let me first see this. After that let her go to any log. But I felt people have this and she will go to that log. And because of her dharma only she was born in a very rich family. Because of her dharma in the past. But problem is dharma is will give the fruit for a finite time and go away. And if you don't do it, you will be back to a smaller lok. So dharma makes your bigger eye. Got my point? No, didn't get it. Got it. So dharma, what dharma does, two branches I said. One is for purification of the heart and other is, if it is with desire, it will give you a very big area. Somebody is a very famous, therefore those who are very rich people and very popular people, you will feel they do more dharma sometimes because it is their samskar to do that. Because of which they got this, they will have more dharma because it is their samskar. Because of which they became very rich and because of which they became very popular. They will be more inclined towards that. But they have to maintain it, otherwise it will fall down. This is unachievable. You have to continuously do it and there is a tension. So three things I said. Kam Purusharth, unachievable. Very tiring, exhausting. Guilt will be there. Arth Purusharth, hard work will be there. Again you will be insecure. If little mistake you do, your life will become difficult. Dharma Purusharth, again you have to keep on feeding it, keep on fulfilling that. So you are trying to get freedom from I am unhappy. But problem was not outside. Please come to the moksha Purusharth. What is the problem? Problem is, thing is somewhere and you are tackling it somewhere. Actually speaking, Kam Purusharth is nothing, but you are trying to remove I am unhappy I. I am unhappy I. You are trying to remove this I. Arth Purusharth, you are trying to remove I am insecure I. And Dharma Purusharth is you are trying to remove I am small I. You are actually, the problem is lying inside and you are tackling it outside. And because you are tackling at a wrong address, even doing everything, that I remains. I hope you got my point. Didn't get it? There is I who is lurking inside. I am unhappy I, insecure I, and small I. These three purusharth are tackling. Actually, problem is of I, but I am solving it outside. And any amount of work you do, as long as these I's are there, your problem will be evergreen. Really, really, really. क्या क्या लोग नहीं करते. Earlier kings used to have many marriages, and they used to have harems also. Harems बोलते. Harem, harem. हाँ, समझ गए. So it is okay. And in that, there used to have not 1, 2 queens, 700 queens sometimes. One king was there of some Muslim country. He used to marry every Friday. हद हो गई मतलब. Still satisfaction is not there. You know what is the difficulty with Kam Purusharth? We have thought a lot, hundreds of hours we spend on thinking. You are anxious for completion of the Kam Purusharth. There is unfulfilled time and there is a fulfillment time. The unfulfilled time is much more than the fulfillment time. And there is a guilt time and again unfulfilled time, which is much more than the fulfilled time. And therefore Yayati's prasang had come in Bhagavad. I'll not tell the whole story. So actually problem was lying. There is a I sitting here. Somebody said to me one day, Swamiji, you don't give me attention. That was not true. That was not true. So, acha, I said, so, what you want? Only you should give me attention. I said, you want the solution or you want the problem to maintain? What you want? Seeker. Solution actually I want. I said, really? Really? True. I said, problem is, you have a thought, I am inferior. And I am not good. You have this thought. And because of this thought that I am inferior, you feel other person has made you inferior. Get my point, please? फिर से बोल दे. You have a thought that I'm not good, I'm inferior, and that this disturbs you. It's not out of humility. It is out of ego. And you superimpose that thought to other person that he made me inferior. He neglect. You have a natural thought, I am neglected. I have been neglected. It is your disease internal. ये देखो बड़ा, this is a serious matters. People don't understand this problem. And you are superimposing on me that I am neglected or he has neglected, she has neglected. You are not tackling it, the problem where it was. And therefore you are very touchy about it. Because that thought is very prominent, any person does something, it comes out, that thought. If I am talking to that person, you will feel he is getting more attention. And it's a disease for lives, not one life. Lives. One lady was there, I went to her house in Singapore. Naturally, if the host is there, I was talking to her, how are you, how are your children, how are your father, mother, and she called many other ladies of the vicinity. She said, Swamiji, 1 minute, I can talk with you later on. These people don't get a chance. So I will be there so that they can come in the front. She organized Bhiksha, she organized food, she organized everybody. I said, you won't feel neglected. He said, what are you talking? I will never feel neglected. She sat at one corner. And she said, you please go ahead. You please come closer to sit near Swamiji so that you can talk. And really I could not talk to her because all people came in the front. 1.5 hours passed away. And I saw her face quiet, happy. Because she did not have a thought that I am being neglected. It is a thought lurking in you which you superimpose on another person. So problem is somewhere, don't solve the problem somewhere else. Swami Ram Tirth used to give example. One lady was searching a needle on the road lamp. So somebody asked, what happened? Bole, I'm searching a needle. Bole, where did you lose it? Bole, in my house. He said, but why you are searching here? Bole, there is no light there. When your problem is somewhere, you don't sort it there, you sort somewhere else. It will remain as it is. You have a sense that I am unhappy without this object. You have this thought. Without fame, I am unhappy. Without husband, I am unhappy. Without the husband's love, I am unhappy. Because I am unhappy person somewhere. I am incomplete unhappy person basically. And or I am insecure person basically. Vedanta says this is a wrong I which you are nourishing unnecessarily. So what shall I do? You want to remove it, no? You are trying to remove unhappy person. And anything which you try to remove is not your nature. You know, in the eyes sometimes dust goes, immediately tearing starts, or you try to take it out. Sometimes. Why? It's not your nature, you are throwing it out. What you throw out is not your nature. Supposing sneezing starts. In a dusty environment you inhale some dust. You start sneezing. Why? Because it is throwing out that dust which is there. The spray, spray what? You know who invented? One who sneezed. Really? So that invention came because of the sneezing only. Well, this is you are saying from yourself. No, I'm telling you. Oh, I did not know that. Yes, many things you don't know. So I am saying, problem is somewhere, solving somewhere else. What are you doing then? What are you doing? Itti jaldi you are feeling insecure, you are feeling, what is it called? You are feeling unhappy. And because you are throwing the unhappy person out, that means you are happy by nature. By nature. Because you are throwing the insecure personality out, therefore you are secure by nature. And what is that I which is already secure and which is already happy without fulfillment of desire? That is the topic of Moksha Purushartha. You are throwing the small I and try to become a big I. That means you are throwing a small I. That means your nature must be big I.